after what feels like the longest delay ever, we are finally on our way. Buongiorno a tutti, noi siamo in Italy. We just landed, so we're waiting to get to our gate and deplane, and then we have to go through customs. And then Rome, here we come. Just got into our room. It's very nice. It's got a nice little mirror. We'll set up here. 2 twin beds. And the shower area, sink area. We'll get back to the toilet area in a second. We got a nice view of the, I want to say it's a museum across the street, but I'm not entirely sure. This is the toilet area. Like, I know it's a bidet. I've never seen one not connected to a toilet before. It looks like a sink because of this, right? And then, I'm just not sure, like, are you supposed to sit in it like this? We are just going to walk around, check it out, maybe get some gelato, try to find a place for lunch. It was so beautiful. Driving in, we got to see so much of the city. And there's so many like old pieces of architecture mixed in with like new stuff. It's pretty cool how they preserve it. And we saw the aqueducts. I'm excited to see like the running water and try some coming from like the aqueducts. We were on this main road and we just kind of turned off just because this street is so beautiful. And we're just kind of trying to experience Rome. So we found our first, I can't remember the name, but I will put it here. The little fountains with running water 24/7. I just tried the water, it was great. There's just a whole bunch of them all around the city, and you can fill your water bottle up. We stopped at this little restaurant called Chiesa di Grano. And this is after we went to the first restaurant, and Miss Gina asked for a translation of the menu, to which the lady walked away.
She was very abrupt. She was very brash.
I saw it coming. I just asked what they thought was the favorite pasta, and I'm just gonna try whatever. And what are you getting? Pizza and pasta for our first meal in Italy. Just got our food. I ordered the spaghetti carbonara, and we got a margherita pizza with prosciutto. And it's pretty good. I haven't tried mine, so I will try it. We are on our way to La Piazza di Spagnolo, or di Spagna. And made a wish and threw it in, and it definitely didn't make it. So I'm gonna take 2 on this one.
Take 2. Man.
It might have made it. I'm really. I hope so. Otherwise, this wish is not coming true.